If I had $1 for every time I've redone these vocals, I'd be 100,000 So you are watching this video because you want to learn how to make this beautiful floral hat box arrangement. Aha. So here's how we started off. We started with our floral foam. Actually, there's only one of me. I started with the floral foam, and you just cut it to size. You kind of got to play around with it, see what edges you have to cut. But you just want it to fit securely in your box, right? So once I got it cut to size, I soaked it in a bucket of water that was filled with floral foam. Then once the foam was soaked, I used a freezer storage bag and I cut it to line the hat box. Now you can use cellophane, but I just used what I had at home. I used some spray adhesive to spray on the box, and then I lined the box with my freezer storage bag. Then guys, you want to take some decorative ribbon and hot glue it around the perimeter of the box, the outside of the box. And here we go. We are starting our arrangement. And I wanted kind of a gradient effect, so I started off with these beautiful, I guess that's fuchsia. It's a fuchsia rose, honey. Publix had a BOGO, so I bought like 7 dozens of roses, girl. And I just figured I'd come home and create some content for all 35 of my beautiful subscribers. Love you guys, mean it. This is going to be a good year. I'm going to have some amazing content for you guys. So basically, I'm just cutting these flowers to size, and as you can see, I'm about halfway done. Take your time, don't rush. If you're like me, you need to be creative, and it is kind of like a release for me, so I enjoy doing things like this. Then I started my second circle of pink flowers, and I made them just a tad bit taller than the fuchsia, and then the dusty rose one's a tad bit taller than the pink, so that it creates kind of a tiered effect like a cake. But don't eat it, girl. They not edible. And then we topped it off with some baby's breath for a little filler, and then the love pick that I got from Hobby Lobby. How cute. So this could be for your Valentine, it could be just for your home, or it could just be for you to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.